Hi guys, today we are going to review Samsung M54 and it is going to launch in this month. So let's start with the design. It is a shiny back and you will find Samsung branding at the bottom and triple camera system on top left side. With this there is flashlight as well. So overall back and frame is made by plastic material and it attracts fingerprints a lot. Now moving to the ports and button at bottom, there is speaker grill, Type-C port and primary mic. On the top there is secondary mic and on the right side there is volume rockers and power button and fingerprint sensor inbuilt. So overall frame thickness is around about 8.4 mm and its weight is around about 200 gram. That is average, so your hand feel is going to be just a normal. Let's move towards Samsung M54 display. Here you will find 6.7 inches full HD plus super AMOLED panel. Here display bezels are a little bit thicker. You will find 85% screen to body ratio, and for your smooth user experience you will find 120 Hz refresh rate as well. So overall display is fine in this price range, you can say. Now moving towards Samsung M54 performance, here you will find Android 13 out of the box and Samsung latest UI 5.1 user interface as well. About chipset, you will find Exynos 1380 chipset that is based on 5nm technology with this octa-core 2.4 GHz clock speed, and for gaming you will find Mali G68 graphics as well. About RAM, there is only one option, that is 8GB. So overall performance is totally similar to Samsung A54. You will find hardly any difference in it. Now moving to the main part, camera. At rear you will find triple camera system, 108 megapixel main camera that support optical image stabilization, then 8 megapixel ultra wide and 2 megapixel macro lens as well. Moving to the front, you will find 32 megapixel selfie camera, and with front and back both you can record 4K on 30 fps. Now move toward connectivity of Samsung M54. Here you will find Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, NFC, but you will not find any infrared port, radio or 3.5mm jack. Now we are going to discuss last part of Samsung Galaxy M54, that is battery. Here you will find 6000 mAh battery that support 25 watt fast charging. So overall this battery backup is a lot. If we conclude our complete review, this smartphone main camera and battery backup is little bit higher, and rest all things are similar to Samsung A54. We also reviewed Samsung A54 as well. Must check it and don't forget to subscribe the channel.